When it comes to architectural designers in Malleswaram, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd is a name that stands out. With their expertise and experience in the field of architectural design, they have been providing innovative and creative solutions to clients for many years. SCON Design is known for its commitment to excellence and its ability to deliver projects on time and within budget. They have a team of highly skilled and talented architects who are dedicated to creating spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also functional and sustainable. SCON Design India Private Ltd is one of the leading architectural design firms in Malleswaram, Bangalore. They offer a wide range of services including architectural design, interior design, and landscape design. Their team of architects is well versed in the latest design trends and technologies, ensuring that their projects are at the forefront of innovation. Whether it's a residential project or a commercial one, SCON Design has the expertise to create spaces that meet the unique needs and preferences of their clients. What sets SCON Design apart from other architectural designers in Malleswaram, Bangalore, is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They believe in working closely with their clients throughout the design process, ensuring that their vision is brought to life. The team at SCON Design takes the time to understand the goals and objectives of each project, and then develops a design solution that aligns with these goals. This personalized approach ensures that every project they undertake is a reflection of their client's unique style and taste. SCON Design India Private Ltd has an impressive portfolio of projects in Malleswaram, Bangalore. From residential villas to commercial complexes, they have successfully completed a wide variety of projects across different sectors. When it comes to finding top-notch architectural designers in Malleswaram, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd is a name that stands out. With their expertise and commitment to delivering innovative and practical design solutions, SCON Design has established itself as a leading firm in the field of architectural design. Their team of highly skilled and experienced designers is dedicated to creating spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and sustainable. SCON Design India Private Ltd prides itself on its ability to understand the unique needs and preferences of each client. Whether it is a residential project or a commercial development, their architectural designers have the knowledge and creativity to bring the client's vision to life. From conceptualization to execution, SCON Design ensures that every detail is carefully considered and meticulously executed, resulting in architectural designs that are both visually stunning and practical. One of the key strengths of SCON Design is their ability to blend contemporary design principles with traditional elements. Their architectural designers are well versed in various architectural styles and can seamlessly integrate them into their designs. This unique approach not only adds character to the spaces they create,